up, y'all? Welcome to my channel, Raw. Today we're gonna be going through the Brooklyn Bridge. I'm gonna do a nice steady roll going across the bridge, so I can see how beautiful it is. I don't know if you get a good angle from here.
They remind me of the player.
Description down below, I will have the history of the Brooklyn Bridge, so you can read about that. I'm assuming it is one of the oldest bridges in Manhattan. summertime, this bridge usually gets hectic. Every tourist comes here, they love it. And, you know, I don't blame them. It's a nice bridge. Very old school, you know. So when you see videos of people, you know, getting mad that these guys are in the bike lane, you know, you can't really blame them. That's like us going to a different country or a different state and you know, want to take a nice picture in their state and their nice, you know, infrastructure or bridge. Some people, you know, don't really care. Like, there's some people that be in the bike lane on their phone, not paying attention. You know, when they get ran over, I wouldn't feel bad. You know, get off your phone, pay attention, and stay on the right side. You know, stay in the path. Oh, no, that's my little ramp. Beautiful bridge, though. This video is going to come into an end. Right now we are in Brooklyn. If you ever want to take this bridge and you're in Manhattan, go to Chambers Street and go all the way to the east side of Chambers Street and you'll see it. Alright, y'all, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Hope you have a great day.